Everybody, it's Cts-V. We're here at the lowrider event out in Houston at the George R. Brown Convention Center. We got a bunch of nice cars here. We're gonna have music, we're gonna have vendors, we're gonna have all kinds of stuff. So it's 10:58 right now. The doors open up in 2 minutes. We're gonna have a bunch of people in here. Like I said, a bunch of artists and things like that. So a bunch of pretty cars we've already seen. A majority of what they got going on here. They got trucks, they got cars, lowriders, bikes, all kinds of good stuff. But I'm excited to get some more content with this car, show this car off a little bit more, let other people come out and enjoy it as much as I do. But stay tuned, we're gonna be having a lot of footage. So we're gonna go ahead and get this day started right now. Like I said, as soon as I get this door open, and we'll see what we can get our hands on. So we're here at the Houston Car Show. We're pretty much with this Houston Car Meets Club today, and I got my boy Flex and my boy DJ Willie.
What up, bro? How you doing, man?
Showing out, showing some love. He invited me out here, so we're showing up.
Hey, what's up, right now? So, you guys doing all right?
They got a bunch of nice stuff. We got some merchandise. We got all kinds of things going on.
Yeah,
but
by the way, bro, check it out. Look, we just launched our website, guys. So we're actually promoting. Not a lot of people know, but so you guys gonna be one of the exclusives to check out our website.
There's no shirts.
That's one of them. But the website.
Estados Unidos Mexicanos.
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, brother.
Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate the invite, of course. See if I can get a good picture with you, man.
Yeah.
An autograph, of course.
Yeah, which one you want?
Let's do this one, man.
All right, you doing? Slide around, bro. I got you.
All right, 1, 2. One more. Awesome.
Tag me on the gram too, bro. You got the gram on the banner?
Yes, sir.
Hi, what up? It's Noel G right here. Shout out to Houston. Cadillac BC3? V3, homie. Just giving you a multiple choice. Pick the second one.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, look.
All right, man. Fangirl.
How you feel, Alex?
I'm fangirling right now.
Oh, man. Let me see.
Check it out, hey.
Hector.
Pretty dope. Pretty dope.
Oh, love, yes, sir. There you go, dog. Slide around.
There you go around, take a picture. I got you. Show the picture off, too. Show the picture. Show the picture. All right. 1, 2. Come on. Go.
Tag me on the gram, bro. You're getting a picture of that too. Tag me on the gram.
I'll follow you. I got you.
Oh, love. Thank you.
Got it, brother.
Cool.
You got it?
Yeah.
Addicted to me, bro.
So how do you feel that you just took a picture with Hector?
Oh, bro. I feel so good. You know, it's a dream. It feels good, right? It looks good. I mean, I was watching the movie when I was a kid, bro. I love it. Yeah.
Look, I got one of these too. They're badass. Lowriders, Houston Super Show. They have lowriders because it's like the lowrider brand. It has Houston in the background too.
Let me put it on your car.
Yeah. That's what's up, right?
Huh?
That's what's up, right?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Hey, so clean. That's what's up. How you feeling, Alex? What's going on?
Feeling cool. There's a lot more people now than there was an hour ago. Music's pretty live. Putting some badass artists out there that we haven't heard of, but they're getting exposure. So
baby.
Hey, bro, man. Hey, look, come check it out. What size you wear?
What's good, baby? How you doing?
2X?
Yes, sir.
Where's the 2X? Is it in there?
Right there, bro. Thank you, man. Many blessings to y'all, bro. You gonna see me rocking it, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Y'all be good then, baby.
We made it just for this day, bro. Look, that's the front, and then there's the back. You got the little distant car in the back.
Oh, okay, that's man.
Hey.
Good job, bro. Thank you again, baby.
Bro.
Ella me pisó el corazón. Ella me dijo adiós, huevón. Yo fui un gamín y yo lo sé. De repente me quiere, a mí no me duele, me dijo prefiero abrazar. De repente tú ya no me quieres, mami ya vete, mami sos fuerte, mami me suerte. Ya no.
We came out to this car show. We just want a PS5, a TV, speakers, all that shit. Feeling good.
Gas don't want the shit, gangsta shit, they love that shit. Fuck that bitch, don't come that bitch. Far shit, that rock shit. Do that to you. I took the bird, I took the fence, my brothers love my niggas. Got my wrist and drop my bitch, over my niggas. I them niggas get me shoot that cotton, fucking get my shoes popping anywhere. We got it and they know shit. Talk your shit now. Yo, jump in the coupe, start thinking my nigga ain't nothing. Instead of they come my nigga, I tell them they done you once. But every one of you niggas, let's go. One of you niggas. My niggas don't tripping, no one, no lift my nigga. I come from the crack in the kitchen, my nigga. I had to put a clip on the nigga. I definitely stand on business, my niggas. No talking, no chat, no snitching, my nigga. Ain't definitely no touching, no woman, my nigga. This you with my nigga.
First place, 533, Justin West, All In Car Club. Luxury Sport, second place, 556, Alejandro Magana. Hey. Carby. Where's Alejandro? Gus, where's Gus? Gus, get up and help me. I need your help, Gus. First place, 517, Big Ass, 713 Motoring. Come on up, first place.
I lose to AV. That's crazy.
How you feeling right now, man?
I always win. I always win something.
Full-size truck.
That's good though, right?
Third place, 191.
I get a plaque, bro. That's
Road
awesome.
Casora, Old School Car Club.
My first ever
Second
car meet
place.
that I've gone to inside. Like
302,
show,
Joe
I win a
Gonzalez,
fucking
Vehicles Car
award.
Club.
We're good.
First place, First place,
Alex won next to AV.
187.
That's what's up.
Cesar Sabalete.
Second place, first place. Hey, I ain't even mad.
What category was it?
Luxury sport thing.
Yeah, luxury sport.
Probably got it with the.
Third place, full-size truck.
Probably got it with the.
179, Oscar Hernandez, Sucker Free Entertainment.
See what the category was?
Second place, 298, Oscar Acala, for Line CC. First place, 295, Fernando Macias, Trucks and Coffee. That's another
Second place and first place, and I get second place behind AB, which this guy's a millionaire. Everybody knows that.
They're the
The
ones that
luxury
make our
sport,
awards.
second place.
And since Sova is waiting till the last minute to register, I love you.
Clean, bro.
Beautiful. It's gonna look really nice in my office. Or the garage. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm excited.
So,
Congratulations,
Noah,
Alex.
David from Heatwave,
Hey,
stayed up all
At the end of the
night
day,
last
it's
night.
worth it, baby.
Additional
It's worth it.
awards.
hell yeah.
Cover all the classes.
Yeah. That's what's up.
Hey, congrats to my boy, man. That boy held it down. You know, he was in the category with me. That boy held it down. You know what I'm about?
Appreciate it, man. 713, that's the only way.
Ladies and gentlemen, is a car that I lost.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. As y'all can see, we actually ended up taking up a prize. We took second place for speed and luxury, right behind AB and his badass Brabus Mercedes. So I can't even be mad at it, man. I'm excited. Overall, my first event was great. I won a bunch of stuff. I got PS5, I got an award, I got autographs, I got pictures with a bunch of artists. I mean, great experience all the way around, and I just think it was a perfect turnaround for today. I appreciate all you guys for all the support. Continue to comment, continue to drop likes on the video, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for watching.